Right, quick video on the hood insulation. They do come with clips, so I don't have to worry about having the clips. Just in case you guys were wanting to buy hood insulation, they do come with clips, and they should just mount right on. Let's see if we can get this. Can we get it? There we go. This is hood insulation. Bought it on Amazon for like $60 something for your mk4 GTI. Very quick install on this product. You basically just pop everything in. And it lines right up. If you guys were thinking about replacing your hood insulation, they do come with clips. Installation takes about 2 minutes. New clips and new hood insulation. This is the one from Amazon. I think the store was Parts Geek. Very happy with it. And that's it.